Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm here to do a Louis Vuitton holiday unboxing. These are the holiday 2025 pieces that have come out, I think probably a month ago now, but I've held off on unboxing it because I wanted to also wait for something to come in to kind of put it together. And there's also a handbag unboxing in this video, which I will include some good promos for the upcoming Black Friday sale event. So if you're interested in any of those things, continue to watch. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. I can't believe the holidays are just around the corner, so I'm very excited to do these festive unboxings with you and of course to share any promo codes and anything that I have to help you save a lot of money during, you know, the Black Friday, Cyber Monday shopping and everything. There's lots of free gifts involved usually around this time, so definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, but also follow me on my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All so that I can quickly get those promo codes and information out to you. So I think I'm gonna start off with this. This is a box and it says Oleada, and this is a brand that I've worked with a lot. I've owned so many of their bags. This is actually a new one, so I'm excited. And they also have a special promo, so stay tuned for that. So let me just get right into it. Okay, ooh, this one, let me hold off on that little special piece, but their packaging is very pretty. It's on the minimal side, but honestly, it's so beautiful. Ooh, I'll also show you this in just a second. Tissue paper, and that's it. Very environmentally friendly, I would say, but still very special for packaging. One thing that I really like is that their dust bags are actually doubled up as a bag. So if you ever go traveling, which, you know, I do often, I like to travel with dust bags, but in this case, they have a little, instead of a drawstring, they have a little handle. And I really like that because then if I wanted to protect my bag, if I wanted to put it, you know, let's say on the airplane and the seat in front of me, this one is very easy to grab and like go instead of a dust bag. You can treat it like a dust bag as well though. It is a cotton canvas material and it says move beyond business as usual on one side and it says Oleada on the other side. So Oleada is a brand that designs for workplace, so women professionally work, you know, in the workplace, but they also have a ton of these very special bags as well that I like to use while traveling. Let me just show you what I got and I can tell you more about it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, to reveal. Oh my gosh, this is the newest bag they have, which is the Mini Marina Hobo. Let me just kind of take off all the wrapping so that you can kind of see it better. Okay, there's also a ton of wrapping around this buckle to prevent it from getting scratched in transit. So like I said, this is the Marina Mini Hobo. They also have a Marina Carryall, and there's also a Hobo that's not mini in the regular size. So the mini one obviously is a smaller version, but if you want it to fit a laptop up to 14 inches, you can select the larger one as well. All right, so I'm gonna thread this leather piece, which is super soft. This is Napa leather, by the way. It's super soft and, you know, still very durable. So let me just thread it. There's a lot of different hole settings, so you can make it as short and as long as you want. And it does come in two tones, so it has this like kind of dark brown Napa smooth leather, and it has this brown suede. It's actually eco suede. So Oleada is very conscious of their footprint. They try to source the best material very ethically. So in this case, they source a lot of them from the food industry that would have gone into waste, but nevertheless, I know that the quality is great. The durability is wonderful on all of my Oleada bags. And these ones are actually, even though it's suede, is actually scratch and water resistant, which is lovely. But if you find yourself not liking the suede, they also have a mini version that is all leather. I'll pop the picture up here so that you can see it. It's lovely as well. I just have fallen in love with some of their suede materials because I have the Mini Coast portfolio bag, and that's all brown suede, and it's so beautiful, buttery soft, and has lasted really well. The suede did really well, and usually that's the more delicate part of a lot of leather. So first up, this bag, empty, is about 1.2 pounds, so it's not too heavy, but it's still substantial. I would say it's actually on the more lightweight side in comparison to some of the other bags of this size. Measurement is a little bit difficult. I can try my best because obviously you could see it's not a perfect rectangle or square. So 13 at the bottom, and then about, I would say like 11 maybe on top inches wide. And then the height, obviously you get a little bit more height here than here. I'm just gonna measure the shortest area because I don't think you can put too much on the ends here. And it's about 8.5 inches tall. And the depth, which is actually on the thinner side, which I actually like for a hobo because you're gonna wear it against your body. So you don't want it to be too like bulky. And that is about 1.5 inches. So it's definitely on the like longer side than the wider side, which I think for a lot of petite gals like me, it actually fits a lot better for your outfit and for your just overall look. The strap length is adjustable, and on their website it says anywhere from 13.8 to 39.4 inches. All right, so let me take you around this bag. On one side, it has this, what they call a trolley strap. So you can put this in your, or on your suitcase. So where the telescopic handle is on your suitcase, you can put this and like thread it through so that it doesn't fall off your suitcase. You can also remove it though. So there is like a little stud right there. It'll come off on both sides like so. Let's see if I could, yeah, like that. But I actually like to keep it on there because I actually use it for my sunglasses sometimes. So for example, I have a pair here. These are cute Chloe ones. Really quick, I didn't want to put this inside my bag. I can actually wear it like this. And so it allows me to like have it readily available if I just hopped into a store without like needing to open my bag, and it's just hanging there. All right, so besides that, you'll see that on the outside there is this clasp right here, which allows you to adjust the length of this strap. You can wear as short as this, which let me just show you. So you just need to thread this all the way through right here. And so this can be like a handheld bag, right? This can be like the crook of your arm kind of bag. It can actually still fit on your shoulder, but it's gonna be closer to your underarm. While I have this ruler here, I can show you the drop length of the shortest is about 10 inches. So if that helps you at all. And then of course you can go anywhere between that and the longest. So let me just do the longest. I don't think I'm gonna ever need the longest just because I am very short. I'm only 5'1", but for demonstration purposes, it's gonna be this long. This one, the longest drop is 23.5 inches. This one, even crossbody, I think, yeah, it's way too long for me, but I will insert mod shots of, you know, how it look on me. But basically you can wear this bag as a top handle, shoulder bag, and crossbody bag, depending on how long you make this strap. And it's super easy, as you've just seen me do. So let's go inside the bag, right? So what does that look like? We have a very secured top because there is a zipper right here. So let me just unzip this. There's also a really cool feature where it allows you to unbuckle there's a snap here. All right, so without the stuffing, you can see that it is a very soft and buttery, like cushy bag, which is going to be amazing when you wear it against your body. A lot of times when you get durable leather, you also get very stiff leather. It will hold its shape when you hold it from the top, which will then feel so nice against your body because it can curve along the contours of your body. Let's actually just go into what fits in this bag. All right, guys, so I have you up close and personal here. And as you can see, there are a few pockets. I will be putting my phone most likely into the zipped pocket right here because I think that fits very nicely. It's very roomy. I will most likely bring a card holder. I have my Chanel one here. It's not like the flat one, there's actually a flap, but I think it would fit nicely in one of these pockets right here. And then I have a water bottle. This one is 330 milliliters or 11.2 fluid ounces. And that goes so easily in just like right there. it just like gets hidden. You could probably put a bigger one as well. I have a mini iPad right here with a case, very slim case, but it easily can fit in there as well. I have a sunglass case right here, right next to the iPad. And then finally, I have a mini pochette from Louis Vuitton, mini pochette accessory, which I have my headphones, lotion, and a lippy. And there's even more space that I can utilize. You can fit taller things on the side as well. So if I were to close it, for example, let me just show you. You can see that there is a curve from here down and back up. So the taller items, if you put it on the ends, could fit a lot nicer than if you put it into the middle of the bag. It's got the slouch, but then it still looks like it stands up on its own because there's stuff in it right now. And so I love that look. All right, so I hope you love this bag, but if you didn't, I'll throw a bunch of other options that I love as well. One of my favorites is the Anchor bag, and I've used it, I don't know, it's my first bag from the brand, and I think it's my favorite. But I have two sizes, of which both of them are available and in the sale. So my promo code angeleyn will get you 30% off your entire purchase, which is amazing. So the 30% off with the code is valid from November 1st to December 2nd. The other thing that I wanted to show you here is this beautiful keychain charm thing that it comes in many different colors. It is the Marina Carryall, and it is so beautiful. But oh my goodness, look at this. It's so adorable. You can remove this key ring. Let me show you. So this key ring doesn't have to stay on, but look how cute. This is way bigger than your usual iPod case. It's stuffed very well. So inside you can see it's very spacious. In fact, I don't even know what I can show you. I have a tape measure ruler here. It can fit that. It's pretty big, you know, like, so I love that this is a bigger style and size. You can also buy one of their chains, which is in here. Oh my goodness, this feels very heavy, and it's a very durable chain. It is not adjustable, but you can clip this to the little Marina Carryall charm, like so. If you did not want to wear as a charm, you can absolutely put any chain on it, because this charm does come with 2 D-rings on the ends. And so, yeah, basically you can wear it crossbody like this. So cute. It is so buttery soft as well. But I think I'm actually going to probably more likely wear it as a charm, just because I carry more than just a little card holder. Use the attached leather strap, and you can put it onto this even. So let me show you. It's pretty simple. You just kind of loop it like this, and there you go. It's like all the rage. You see it on like Chanel's runways, but they have a little like bag with a bag. Isn't this adorable? Ugh, I just love this so much. But yeah, I love this one as well. So soft. All right, let's go into the Louis Vuitton item now. I'm just so like excited about that bag, but I am equally excited about this. This is the holiday collection from Louis Vuitton this year. Unfortunately, they still haven't gotten their holiday packaging, which I'm a little surprised about, but it's here. You know, the first thing that caught my eye was the mini pochette accessoire, which, I mean, I already have 2 of, so I thought, let's go with something different. So what I don't know if you can guess what I picked up, but it is something completely different, and it is a little notebook cover, and it is different in the sense like the rings are bigger. So anyway, let me just show you the front. This is the monogram canvas, but it has all these very, very cute little like holiday, Christmas, wintry themes. So there's like a balloon, snowflakes, a train with Vivian on it. On the back, you'll see like a tree with little snow covered pieces on it and a sleigh. Oh, it's just so beautiful. And what really drew me in for this is actually the very iridescent light pink. Oh, so beautiful. It has many, many card slots on this one side, and it has the Vivian stamp right there, Louis Vuitton made in France. And then on this side, it has a little just flap, this is all leather lined, and it also has a little pen holder. And so I was so excited about this one. And yeah, there were a lot of really cute things, but I had some self-control and limited myself to only one item. But why I decided to hold off on unboxing this until now is because I actually ordered something to fill it. So right now, Louis Vuitton, I've looked, only had the agenda, I think, for like calendar, but I didn't want a calendar. I want just like plain notes or, you know, blank paper, and they didn't have it. So of course I went to look for it. And so I haven't actually put it in here because I haven't tried it. So let's do it together. All right, here it is. This is the little stationery set, which I will link below. This one's so affordable. I mean, it's very affordable compared to the Louis Vuitton ones, but here we are. I chose the dotted paper. So yeah, I thought it was more versatile than lined or a blank. And then what else does it come with? Oh, it comes with a lot of dotted paper. So you'll see that there's another one like this. And then it also comes with like a divider and more dividers. And then, oh, another dotted one. And then I think this one's for like business cards. And then this one's like a little, I don't even know what it's for. It's a little folder, and then ruler with some, I think these are like little post-it flags. So let's put them in. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm just gonna do one of the, let's hope it fits. I looked at the measurements before buying this, and they had really good measurements of everything, like from how big the holes are to like, you know, how tall the whole thing is, but you never know. So let's try it. You just pop open the rings by pushing on the ends, and moment of truth. Oh, it fits perfectly. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It fits perfectly, guys. Oh my gosh, I love it. And you can see the little dotted paper. It's perfect. Oh, I think this one goes best at the end because it like creates like a more solid backing. Oh, the little pouch. Okay, let's put the pouch in. I decided to put the line paper up at the front here. And then I have these little dividers right here, so you can see like different color dividers. I can actually put more paper in between, which I haven't done yet. And then I have this little folder thing that holds these flags, I guess, the post-it flags. And then this like little divider thing right here. And then as you can see, if I closed it, they all kind of fit nicely into here. So yeah, I don't have a pen yet, but I will. And you can see that's what it looks like. Oh, so cute. Again, I will link the agenda below. I believe it's still available on the Louis Vuitton website, but I think I'm even more excited now because this whole like agenda set of empty paper is available, and it fits the Louis Vuitton agenda. This, I think, is the medium one with a big ring, not the little rings. And I think it fits perfectly into this Oleada mini hobo. Oh my gosh, yes. It is a perfect fit. Perfect fit. I can put it like tall-wise, like that, or I can put it like sideways, and it'll fit really nicely. So, oh my gosh, I love it so much. I'll link the Oleada bag as well below, the charm as well, and then my promo code angeleyn will get you 30% off anywhere from now till December 2nd. I hope you guys can save some money during this time, but yeah, let me know what you think of this hobo. I think it's been like everywhere right now, but I can also see why, you know, if like for the winter time you have like puffy coats and you just want something a little bit more streamlined and hugging to your body, this is so it. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I would love to hear what you're gonna pick up from the Black Friday sales, if any. And yeah, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.